Delicious. Not sure.
Hello friends! Whee!
Where are we, Rose?
We are in Chili's. We're at an airport. We're at Calgary International Airport.
Yeah.
And we are sitting in a Chili's because why, Daniel?
Our flight got delayed by an hour and we're like, what else are we gonna do at the airport other than drink?
So we're gonna get some drinks. We're gonna get some margaritas.
What kind of margarita are you getting?
I'm getting a Patron margarita. Isn't my accent so great?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Patron margarita.
I'm really sad that you couldn't come to Spain when I was there because I really would have like really enjoyed you pronouncing things like that.
Trying to speak Spanish.
It would have been amazing.
Patron margarita, or I could get a. I can't remember now.
I'm doing the president.
It was a.
I'm doing the presidente.
Presidente margarita.
Oh God.
They would have hated me in Spain. Oh my gosh.
This is what you need to get, Rose.
What do I need to get?
The Patron one.
Patron. Okay.
Patron.
Anyways, so we're just gonna get some margaritas, and then our flight is in a couple hours. We're going to Toronto.
Oh yeah.
Toronto.
And what are we gonna do in Toronto?
Drink.
And eat all of the vegan food possible.
We're doing a vegan food tour, basically.
So excited.
That's the plan, and we'll see you in the margaritas.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Here's my patron. Cheers, Daniel. Woohoo! Yes, the lime. Is this the authentic experience at Chili's?
Stumbling on that plane.
Oh, it's quite nice.
Is it?
It's not that strong. Switch. Let's try yours. So this one is the Presidente. I like mine. I think Patron is better.
I'm not gonna be able to handle this.
We got some chips. Feel like I'm in Mexico.
Do you?
Mm-hmm.
Guacamole, some salsa.
Yummy. I mean, I'm just naturally beautiful, you know what I'm saying? All right, so 2 margaritas deep. We're heading to our flight, and what's been going on, Daniel?
Wow. You know how normally the flight has like on the screen, it's like boarding and all this other stuff? So ours said delayed for a while. Then I went to go check it while we were having our margaritas. And all of a sudden it's just saying nothing now, so
it no longer says delayed.
It doesn't say delayed, it doesn't say...
past the flight time.
Yep, past the flight time. It doesn't say departed either though. And it just says nothing, so it's a mystery.
We'll find out.
God dang, will we, Rose?
Oh God. Or we'll miss the flight and this vlog is over. We'll find out. We have arrived.
We're here, guys.
We're here. It is late. We need to get food immediately.
Yeah, that means
yes.
We're
dying, so we're gonna go. We found like whatever place we could find. It's quite late, so we need to get some food in our system. Because right now it's basically. Why do we need food in our system, Rose? Because we gonna be drinking, and because right now it's like quite late here, but it's not that late in Calgary, so.
Let's see. Oh yeah, so we need to go.
We're here. Woo. I'm still wearing my dirty ass clothes from the plane.
Too.
But I did freshen up my face a little bit because it was looking, ooh, you did not want to see that. All right, we just passed Toronto Times Square.
Yeah.
What is that place called?
Yonge and Dundas.
Yonge and Dundas. We're still looking for this place. I'm starving.
We're almost there, I feel like.
Yes, I think so.
Burgers and beer, cheap and cheerful.
Apparently
like
$2 beers.
Yeah.
Cheap and cheerful. Say that again, Daniel.
Cheap and cheerful, just like me. It's a good deal.
What's a good deal, Daniel?
The shots. They're only $2.
So we're at this place. It's called
Burger
Bar, and I feel like
Burger Bar.
I feel like we're in a. Oh my God, the sewage is so bad. It smells like sewage. And they have this veggie burger.
Honey do me, Smirnoff vodka, melon liqueur, and pineapple.
Done. Sounds good, actually. What's the shot you think we should get?
It's called Redheaded Slut, and it's.
Are you slut shaming me?
It's Jägermeister, peach schnapps, and cranberry.
Why don't we get both?
So we're gonna get 1 shot of Honey do me and 1 shot of.
I mean, we have to get the redheaded slut.
Do 2 shots then.
Yes. Okay, so what do we order, Daniel?
So this one is familiar, Redheaded Slut, and this one is Honey do me.
Okay, we just did the red-headed slut, and now
we're gonna do
honey do me. You need to eat something. So we finished 2 shots on an empty stomach. Yeah, which one was your favorite?
I think I preferred the honeydew me.
Yeah, me too, actually.
It was a bit sweet, but I think it was nicer than
the red-headed slut was, you know.
You know, no one likes a red-headed slut.
Now we have a pitcher. Would you like to do the honors?
I think you should do the honors.
You think I'm better at pouring beer than you are?
Because you know to do it. There you go, Rose. That's how you do it.
Yeah. The angle.
Get that.
I used to work at a bar. You know.
Get that angulation in there.
I'm a bit of a red-headed slut.
Oh, that
knows how to pour a beer.
All red-headed sluts know how to pour beers.
This is a Sapporo.
See, it's not too much. It's basically like 1 beer.
Okay, see that I don't feel as bad getting a pitcher now.
We should have got 2 pitchers.
Oh, we should not get 2 pitchers. Definitely not.
Cheers!
Cheers!
Oh, that didn't clank.
Hang on.
Okay, that's bad luck.
There we go.
Beer.
Okay, here are our burgers.
So it's a black bean and quinoa burger.
And lentil burger.
And lentil.
So
and
veggie burger.
And then you got a portobello mushroom on yours.
Oh yes! Which is not that much. I'm kind of disappointed.
Oh, God.
How much did you get? How much avocado?
I got a pretty good, decent
that's
amount.
A good one. And then we got like a fry situation. Oh, this is like a mixture of sweet potato and regular fries. Daniel's gonna go in for it. We are starving, so like anything will taste delicious. How is it? Yeah? Good. I need to eat. Okay, bye.
There's like no more turning.
Oh God. Here we are. First full day in Toronto. We are right by the sign. We're about 2 minutes away from here. We're gonna go for a run actually.
I have a quick question.
You have a question?
Is there like a song that I could add to this that has like Toronto in it?
Woo! Look at us, we're running.
On vacation.
On vacation.
Who are we?
This is not normal. Uh-huh.
I believe that glass there.
That's Toronto Island.
It's usually like the lake. It's super big, so.
It's so lovely. How's the run? How's it treating you? Okay, let's go. Woo! Yay. We are jogging along the waterfront. Yep. This is the first time ever jogging on vacation. We're changed people, guys.
We are.
We're changed people. I only drank last night. Here's the tower. That's great.
Alright, let's
I'm stalking. Good morning, people.
Morning, guys.
So we have done the triple S. What is the triple S, Daniel?
Shit, shave, shower.
Although I did not take a shit yet. But anyway, today is the first full day. And now we're heading to, where are we going, Daniel?
We are going to,
where are you?
I'm over here on this side.
Okay.
We're going to, like, I think it's called Kensington Market.
Yeah.
And then we're also gonna check out a vegan fast food place.
It's called?
It was called Globally Local, but I guess they're rebranding as like Odd Burger.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah.
So we're gonna eat some fast food because we went, ooh, look, vegan options available. Anyways, yeah, so we went for a jog. It was lovely this morning.
Right on the waterfront.
Yeah,
Look
despite
at us being healthy.
I know, like we weren't hungover at all, but I guess we didn't drink too much.
No, we weren't too bad.
It seemed like a lot at the time, but it was not that bad.
Exactly.
And now we're gonna go eat and explore.
Explore the area.
It's an absolutely gorgeous day. Here we are, guys. Globally local vegan fast food. Oh, I am hungry. Let's go eat.
Is it cheap, lazy, vegan approved?
It's good. I don't remember what
Big Macs taste like.
All right, we got a feast. Are we excited?
I'm so excited.
So we have here the sticky chicken burger, I think. And then the vegan Big Mac, as you can see here. I already taken a bite. It's very delicious. I don't remember what a Big Mac tastes like, but very good. We have fries, and then we got a breakfast sandwich with tofu and the sausage, and then of course Diet Coke, ketchup, honey mustard sauce. Ooh.
Tell me if that's not delicious.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I want your reaction. Does it taste like a Big Mac? Yeah?
From what I remember.
Yeah, I think it kind of does. I don't remember, but...
It tastes like a McDonald's Big Mac.
Oh,
like
shit!
Obviously not exactly, but it's like pretty similar. Oh, it's so good.
Are you in love? Okay, now I'm gonna try this thing. Let's try this.
Wow,
okay, there's like a hash brown in here too.
Oh, this is gonna be delicious. We may need to add ketchup in there though, I'm not sure.
Oh my god. That is a breakfast sandwich.
Ooh, I'm so...
The lighting's not. That sausage is so good. It's like sweet.
Oh my god.
So good.
Holy shit, that's good.
Now, okay, one more. One more. This one is a sticky burger or whatever.
Sticky chicken.
Sticky chicken.
Okay, let me see.
Nice and sweet. Okay, guys, we're gonna enjoy ourselves.
Yep.
Look at those layers. All right, what do we think of Globally Local?
It was actually so good, guys.
I'm so full. And which one was your favorite?
So, it's a close one. I really like it's like their famous burger. That's like the Big Mac, kind of. Because it literally tastes like, reminds me of McDonald's. Yeah. And then the other one was like the breakfast sandwich. It was really good.
Yeah, they were all really good. Yeah, I can't decide which one is my favorite, but maybe the Big Mac,
Highly
maybe the breakfast
recommend,
sandwich. So good.
Yeah.
And now we need to walk about 10 miles. All right, so this is where Daniel wanted to go.
Yeah.
Bunners. It's a bake shop.
I'm excited.
Are we excited? Let's go inside.
Check it out.
Woo, woo, woo. Yeah. Ooh. Is it all vegan?
Oh my god, there's Nanaimo bars, bros.
I'm not really a big fan of Nanaimo bars. Ooh, they have chocolate brownies. And now we're in a vegan bakery. Oh. Okay, we got dessert. We got ice cream from Bunners, and also a bunch of stuff.
Yeah, so much stuff. I feel like
how's your beer? Tasty? Hi Matt, how are you? This is my friend Matt. Cheers guys. Oh, that's a water. Is it bad luck? Cheers.